Mrs. Cornean Magnaya Chimentisa Jr., also known as Mrs. Cornean Magnaya Quezon the First. I am writing about saying, this song saying, and then this song is saying, I am Cornean. Licking on skin. I want to lick as well his teeth. Lick. To lick on your teeth. Licking. Kuya, never next to. Ako Cornean detox. Wait. May kami ni Alex ko. This is fine. No, English ko. Yes, my English is mine. It's not on house. Too late. Nakakadiri yung bansot. Di naman gusto sa buhay. To lick on dick. Yeah, nakakadiri sila bastos. Bad person, bitin. To lick on dick. On my mind, they tends to get the built-in Wi-Fi. That is mine. It is in here, left eye. Gold digger talaga sila. Those person on my ear. This gold digger. Ang init. To lick on dick. Is it? Ngayon. To lick on dick. Does it has circle? What is the look of the dick? No. To lick on dick. Awesome it is. Nandiyan Alex ko. Awesome it is. 4 inch daw, sabi ni Alex, 4 inch. I signed it on ruler. I signed it on measurement, 4 inch. Never Lex ko. To lick on dick. My God, on life of a person, sewing machine should be known. Why should be knows? Because of house, inside of the house. On myself, I want to do of such as learning, teaching about it. Kaya nga, bastos talaga kabit on the right eye. Bobo camouflage, the camouflage, not the royal about. To lick on dick. It is such as here Philippine, they is feeling high level even though they is bad person. To lick on dick awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? Ball, the side of it, does it vanish? I not want you. The right eye is targeting the royal about. What's wrong? I'm not thinking of any person. Alex ko. Tulingan diga. What's wrong with this? Does the ball vanish? What's the answer? What? What is the answer? Dikit ako kay Alex. Dikit. Ang golden door. Tulik undik awesome it is. Where does the ball vanish? The answer, I don't know. What is that for? Ball. I don't know. Testosterone though it is. Grade 5 teaching. I not look on it. Not look on it. It is not being teach. Where did I cite it? Dog. The dog. Oh, wala siyang ganat. Meron siya. Ball. Indoor. None? Born year 2016. None? None ball. None ball? None ball. Tulig undik awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? Akin na, legs ko. Di kita legs ko. College degree is me. My family is renting a house. And then, year 2025, year 2022, the start of my father has house, property at Cavite. And then, my father has this house, year 2024. And then, at this moment, no blessing yet. It is such as having a house and then on the midst of my father's already retired and I want to bobo camouflage. My father is retired and then could not be able to rent a house already because of retirement. That is why my father bought this house year 2024. But the right eye is saying something. I don't know why. I like at Camellia home. I not like this in here. I not like in here. Why myself is towards in the talking? Why suddenly myself is talking about it? And I know. Why? Because of a question of the right eye. What is the question? They not know about it. They is getting it. This one. That is. Myself is saying, my family is renting a house only at Barangay Pinagsama. That is my life existence, renting a house. Only year 2024 that my father has own own house. And then year 2025, I experienced of such as here at New Lower Bikutan that I not like. Why I not like? I like at Camellia Homes. Kaya nga. Nami ko. Nami-lex ko. Ate older sister, as well likes Camellia Homes. She brings in there his boyfriend, husband lover. Ay na ano, may calls to my boyfriend, husband lover, is boyfriend, husband lover. Because I not enjoy my being girlfriend. I want gala-gala, dating. Kaya boyfriend, husband, lover. It should be dapat college degree. Long. I could not do such this because of my hand could not be sight. That is why such this long, so that it could be sight on the camera that it is long. Ay na ano, I saw it the foreigner on Camellia Holmes about ate. The face, the face. Very cool. Oh my God! Hey, Miko. On myself, binatang Filipino. Ginoong Filipino. Bakit? Never legs ko. Unto ko rin na, ay na ano. Never ka legs ko. Eh, why that girl is getting over this mine? Na ano, mine is mine. Di kita legs ko. My nipple is my nipple. Ay, nasa my nipple. Na, I want to talk at the moment. It is hitting me. To lick on dick awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? Philippine man. This is Philippine country. What it is, look. If it is on in here in this. No. Ah, ano yan? Ano ang drama? To lick on dick awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? It is. I have a dick. To lick on dick awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? Philippine look. Philippine look. Philippine look. Philippine look. What's wrong? Boyfriend ko si Alex since high school. Ginoong Filipino na siya. Ginoong Filipino. Brown color. Brown color is Alex ko. Brown color is the dick on my memory. Brown color. Brown. To lick and dick, awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? Philippine color. Philippine color. Relax lang. The ball vanish. Does the ball vanish? Dikit ka, legs ka. To lick and dick, awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? To look on it. Awesome it is. It is. Does the ball vanish? Color, size, even smell. What it is. Oh my god. And has minute to move. Color, size, even smell. What it is. Boyfriend ko si Alex since high school. To lick on dick. Awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? Color, size, even smell. Will smell? Color, brown. Naku yun. The brown about built-in Wi-Fi, not me. Not me? No. That is the barbell? I not know. The look of it, for instance, this is the phone. The rectangular inside of the phone. Not myself who think of that. Color brown daw, brown. Ay, that is? Why? That is year 2021. So it is such as that person during year 2021 they is energetic because about talking is phone. The phone about talking is such as on creation of built-in Wi-Fi. They is motivated or um, positivity person that wants innovation and ano that wants business. Foreigner it is foreigner. The barbell that is that is the barbell person on Google the apps na ano about phone color brown they color brown is being say yun tani ka kin lang Alex ko kin baby ko 10 na 10 never ko Alex ko naon joking lang akin to grade 5 pa ako gusto sulat to click on dig awesome it is. Oh, kulang pa this one. It should be design, has design. But at the moment, I have no money, could not design. About design, scrapbook, moment on family, not on liar. To click on dig awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? Does the ball vanish? Color? Brown? Brown it is. About the pet? The word is I name it year 2020 about the pet. I could not remember at the moment. Color brown it is. Size will the boy feels happy. Ang kunyan. Someone is crying on my chest. Naon you, lover legs ko. Size, will the boy feels happy? Color, brown it is. Size, will the color feel... Careless, the moment I feel cold, the moment such as there is cold weather, cold atmosphere. Married kami, Alex ko. Married kami talaga ni Alex ko. May bebe na ako. Lover ko Alex ko since high school. Size? Does. Akin lang, akin. Size, does the boy. Will the boy. Kin English ko. Will the boy feels happy? Smell? Is it smelly? Of what? Married kami, Lex. Dikit na, Alex ko. Smell, is it smelly of what? What does it look? Does it look the skin? It has vein? A vein? Ang kikot na baba ko. Married kami. Hadap ng papa ko? Kaya Alex ko dikit. What does it look? The skin. Lover ko, Alex ko. What does it look? The skin. I saw it on Facebook. There is vein. Vein? Not know. I not know. Not side of it. I feel scared. Does it look? What does it look? The skin? I am on literature. Tula-tula poem. What does it look? The skin? Does it move? Does it? I don't know. No. Ikaw gusto lover Lex ko. Si Alex lover ko. To lick on dick awesome it is. Does the ball vanish? Color brown it is. Size will the boy feels happy? Smell is it smelly of what? What does it look the skin? Does it? Upward and forward? I don't know. Upward and forward. Na? Such as has cover? I don't know. Ano? I don't know. Hmm. Does it look the skin? Hmm. Does it has does it moves ah upward and downward? Na say that word. Does it look the skin? Does it moves upward and downward? One, two, downward. Koko niyan. Anong gagawin? Ba't mo ako tinawag? I am with my younger sister pala at this moment. A while ago, I not notice it. I thought she's on. I not sight her as well a while ago. Does it to lick and get awesome it is, the ball vanish, color brown is, I see the he's happy. Smell, is it smelly of what? What does it look? The skin, does it moves upward and downward? Merita. Team. Why? Bibi ko, hanggang kid. He was such that as well. Pamahiin. is mine. Quinto. Ito. Socialization. High school. Ay, nakuha here at New Lower Bigutan. What if ang Camellia Homes? It depends. Na atin. It depends. It depends. I have a socialization. And I want to think about it. On Camellia Homes, myself is even though such that the length, the length of it, what I could, what is on my mind is such this. My father let me about cabinet structure. I am so happy. Tapos pwede naman you. King ng bibi ko. Such this is the cabinet. And then in here is the desk and then window. So, could not be. Just one. This is the length of it. I will bed, cabinet, and then this, and then window. It has security guard in there. But who knows? I not know if it will happen about the house and on BGC. I not know about it. But myself on my panaginip is such this. I put the category of it over it is locates on at door and then turquoise color. Turquoise color such this. Ang ganda. Indoor. Ang ganda. That is where my mother put the cabinet. Hindi niya talaga. Matahimik ko. Truthfulness, there is the cabinet, the Tupperware cabinet. That is where she put it. Someone stabbed it on the knife. Someone tends to say bad word. Yayos ka na say bad word. Ew. Want yun na say bad word. A design. This is my bedroom in there. I am the person that tends to do cabinet. And then I have worked during that moment in there. Work from home basis. I not know. Alex Jr. ko is in there as well. Car, color black. White car. Two car has Alex Jr. ko. Black car, Toyota, Honda, and then white car. This is in here. I know about it when it comes onto life, but I have a panaginip in the Camellia Homes. Never legs ko. I don't ever want to do. Diba? I will say about 8 years of black magic. My bedroom. You want to cite my bedroom? I not want to cite it. This house is not yet on blessing. It is not being blessed of praise yet because it is not yet finished this house. Tahimik ko. Lover Lex ka. I'm not copying you. I am Korean. I am pretty. Why, this is my face, look. I don't know. Let's put it this one. How you can be. Who's talking about my